Doing springs on a Southland dump trailer. Yeah, shackle links are starting to hollow out on this. Bushing looks good. Starting to oval out. Same with that one right there. Time to hang the spring. Front is on, rear is on. Just drop it down onto the spring seat. I don't know what it is about 9/16 by 18 lug nuts. Every single time. I got one that just stops. Shackle links on rear passenger side are starting to go as well. So we're changing those out. This thing hauls a lot of weight. Rear U-bolts are on. Shackle links are tight. Tap, tap. Springs are on. I need to tear down this hub and change out the lug studs. Everything's still flat. Sweet, I do have the right ones. 2 new studs, let's thread the other ones. I think it's time to warranty this. 2 new studs are on. Driver side rear, cotter pin verified. New lug nuts on the rear, 2 new lug studs. And taking off driver side front. Shackle link's starting to go out. That one's got about a 1/4 inch left, but that's supposed to be a circle. This tire's bad and they don't have a spare, so I'm gonna leave that off. Clean the lug studs and then I'll put new lug nuts on for them. Torquing lug nuts. Lug nuts torqued. 2 new safety chains are on. Cotter pin is verified on driver. Cotter pin is verified on passenger. I changed them out because they were drug on the ground and starting to get really thin. Same on this, it was starting to get thin. There's one right there. Let's do the rundown on this. 2 new lug studs, 3 new springs, 2 driver side, 1 passenger side, 1.5 U-bolt kits. We got 9 bolts and nuts. All lug nuts are torqued, all U-bolts are torqued. 2 new safety chains on the front. He needs to go get a new tire on that rim, but I did put new lug nuts on that wheel for him, and I chased the threads on the lug studs. But this job's done. I'm on to the next.